Hi, I would like to talk about choosing the right expiration date for options contract. Typically, you choose something between 30 to 45 days out, so it has a nice balance between gamma and theta decay. So you get a typically nice gains. If you're looking for a breakout, you typically aim like something between 15 to 20 delta, and if you're looking for a safer play, you basically choose something between 40 delta plus. So that's typically the goal. If you want to use fib retracement, here's the fib time zone. You can choose something like this. Let's use this as an example. Oh, sorry. Um, Here's a nice box, and here's the end of the box. See price ranging up and down. You're mostly waiting for an Nvidia to do something. So here it breaks down below, and you will assume it will keep going down. So you choose an expiration contract, and typically the red zones are to avoid, and anything between here to here is fair play. Typically most of the lowest low is typically on this shaded purple area, that's why I marked that, and these are just regular Fibonacci levels. This is uh, this is too long. Typically something else is happening at these zones. If you want to know the numbers, here is the numbers settings for it. I mean 0 to 1, 1.2, regular numbers, 1.88, purple zone. This is you can turn this off. You don't usually use them, but that's about it. Maybe that, and that's all.